Here are some fresh makeup ideas that you should definitely try. Prepare to slay the beauty game. These makeup ideas will elevate your look to new heights. From fierce and daring to soft and romantic, get ready to unleash your inner glam. Let's check this one out. Fresh summer look makeup ideas. Get ready to glow with fresh summer look makeup ideas. Embrace bronzed skin, pops of vibrant color, and luminous finishes. From dewy complexion to glossy lips, radiate summer vibes and turn heads wherever you go. Achieve a fresh summer look with these makeup tips. Start with a lightweight, hydrating foundation or tinted moisturizer. Opt for soft, natural shades on the eyes like peach or bronze, and add a touch of shimmer to the inner corners. Apply a waterproof mascara for long-lasting definition. Keep the cheeks glowing with a cream blush and finish with a tinted lip balm for a hint of color. Don't forget SPF and setting spray to protect and lock in your look throughout the sunny days. Stay fresh and radiant all summer long. Let's try this one. Watercolor makeup is a creative and artistic approach to your beauty routine. To achieve this dreamy look, start with a light, dewy base using a sheer foundation or BB cream. Use a watercolor palette or multi-use cream pigments to create soft washes of color on the eyes, cheeks, and lips. Blend and layer different shades for a watercolor effect. Keep the rest of the face minimal with natural-looking brows and a subtle highlight. Finish with a light coat of mascara and a glossy lip balm to complete the ethereal. How about this one? A glittery makeup. Get ready to sparkle and shine with glitter makeup. Start by prepping your skin with a hydrating primer. For the eyes, apply a glitter primer or a sticky base to ensure the glitter sticks. Then, gently pat or use a brush to apply loose glitter or pressed glitter onto the lids or inner corners. Add some drama with winged eyeliner or smoky eyeshadow. Don't forget to highlight your cheekbones with a shimmery highlighter and add a touch of glitter to your lips using a glitter lip gloss, or a dab of glitter on top of your lipstick. Remember, a little goes a long way, so be cautious and have fun with your glitter makeup look. Which style of makeup do you like? Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.